Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. A nurse is caring for a client. Nurse's notes, day 1:10, 0 a.m. Productive cough with yellow mucus. Client reports feeling sick for the last few days and states, I could barely breathe when I got up this morning, and I had a throbbing headache. Client is alert and oriented to person, place and time. Capillary refill less than 2 seconds. Client is diaphoretic. Crackles heard in posterior lungs. Pedal pulses +2 bilaterally. Client reports decreased appetite for the past 2 days. The nurse is Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.